Om Asto Ma Sadgamyam Tamso Ma Jyotirgamyam. O God, lead us from unreality to reality, from darkness to light. Namaste and Diwali greetings to all our students from the family of St. Austin. We welcome you all through this virtual Diwali celebration. St. Austin's family welcome you all to take a tour and meet all the teachers as they are a motivational source for you in this pandemic situation. Let us meet our school family. Diwali or Deepavali, the row of lights, falls in the month of Kartik. It is the festival of light which dispels us from the darkness and gets to the lightness. Let us welcome. Let us have a tour to our family. Our teachers have planned and decorated the school in such a lightful and colorful manner. Let us have a look. As in this pandemic situation, our teachers are working hard to motivate you all and give the best outcome from your side, expecting the best from you. Shows the encouragement in our teachers for you all. And work hard to progress in your life. We as a family want you to get and flourish like stars in the infinite sky, and fulfill your wishes as well as desires. Let us meet our coordinator, the figure which inspires and supports us every time.
Wish you all a very happy, prosperous, peaceful and safe Diwali.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, दीपावली की और चिल्ड्रंस डे की आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Happy Diwali students, wish you a very safe and prosperous Diwali. Hope you will play and celebrate very safe Diwali and prosperous Diwali. Thank you so much.
Hello students, happy Diwali and happy Children's Day. As you all know that I miss you a lot.
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, हैप्पी दिवाली। आप सभी को दिवाली का त्यौहार बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
Now let us take a tour to another floor with the motivation and the colors. Shows the brightness and the colors. The bright colors shows the victory over this situation. Taking into consideration this pandemic situation and maintaining the social distance, our teachers have given the result as you can see. Let's have a look at the colorful Rangoli, which is the essence and the base of Diwali. The classrooms and the corridors are decorated with the colorful lights and colors for your encouragement. Let us meet the teachers and take the Diwali blessings from them.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। चिल्ड्रंस डे की भी आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आयुष्मान भव, विद्यावान भव, यशस्वी भव।
दीपावली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं बच्चों, और पटाखे तो छोड़ने नहीं है, आपको पता ही है। हैप्पी दीपावली।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
Happy Diwali and happy Children's Day to all of you.
Hello,
Namaste. Happy Diwali, children. Be safe.
May
Okay.
Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Saraswati bless you with knowledge and wisdom. The blessings from our teachers and the school members. Let us meet our teaching and non-teaching staffs also. They are as supportive as a family member. The non-teaching staff is also as supportive to us as they contribute to us for hygiene and support. The color here depicts the prosperity, the wisdom, the happiness for you as well as your family. The teachers motivate you and brighten up your life through this online and live class. And now we will also celebrate this Diwali virtually with the support of our teachers. The lightning here shows the strength among the teachers. The positiveness with these bright colors make us fill our life with lot of positivity, with the smiling faces behind the mask. Hope this makes you feel like encouraging your life with lightness and come out of the negativity in this situation. Wishing you and your family a happy, prosperous, healthy and safe Diwali from St. Austin's family. Thank you.